West Bengal's ruling Trinamool Congress delegation arrived here at the Election Commission's headquarters in New Delhi, and they had a very important discussion with the Election Commissioner, Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, and his team. And Rajya Sabha senior leader Derek O'Brien of TMC said that EC has blood on his hands. He's talking about the 38 to 40 deaths, a total of 40 deaths that has taken place in West Bengal. TMC is alleging that it is linked to the SIR process that has led to a lot of harassment and mental exhaustion of the BLO officers and the voters, and that has led to the death of 40 people in West Bengal. And that is why the TMC leaders have questioned Election Commissioner that what action, what responsibility will the Election Commission take when it comes to the deceased, when it comes to the family of the deceased. Although officially speaking, the police officers, they have not really given any concrete linkage between the deaths and with the SIR process. But today's delegation was not just any other confrontation between the TMC leaders and the EC. It was a prelude to the 2026 Bengal Assembly elections. And we spoke to the leaders here, and they said TMC delegation raised 5 questions to the Election Commission but did not get any response of any of those 5 questions. Now, what are those 5 questions? One is, of course, a probe into the deaths that has happened and what responsibility will the Election Commission take. Because remember, Derek O'Brien said that the Election Commission has blood on his hands. This is a huge statement. And secondly, the question that they have posed is in Bihar, after the SIR, the votes, the voters whose names have been removed because they are either infiltrators, what happens to those people? Where will they be taken henceforth? Third, if SIR is taking place in Bengal, Bihar, why isn't it taking place in states like Assam and Tripura? Those are bordering states, because the main purpose of SIR is also to remove the infiltrators, the illegal votes. Then why isn't that special intensive revision of electoral rolls taking place in a state like Assam? This has been their main question. And after this, we understand that, Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has always been opposing the SIR process, has been calling it a BJP's conspiracy to remove voters, and it is the Election Commission that is the agent that they are using to sort of weed out voters. Of course, there is politicking here, considering elections are around the corner. But if we talk about the basic facts, the Election Commission has told us that almost 99.8 voters of West Bengal, they have already undergone the SIR process. Almost 82% of those forms, enumeration forms, have already been digitized, and in a week or 2 from now, the SIR process will be completed. But TMC is saying that the SIR process is taking place in a rushed manner, and that is leading to mental harassment of the BLO officers, and they're claiming that 40 such people have died because of the mental harassment and frustration linked to the SIR process. Of course, the Election Commission has not given response to those 5 questions, but he did open up the platform for the TMC leaders to come here and speak to him and to have a concrete dialogue. And remember that in the upcoming winter session of the Parliament, the TMC will take up the SIR matter again, because earlier during the monsoon session, the BJP government blocked all attempts of the opposition to raise questions on SIR. But during the winter session, the sources tell us that they will in fact take up the SIR matter. And for our viewers, if you want to know about when the voter list, the fresh voter list for Bengal will come about, it will be released on the 7th of February 2026. Now we will have to wait and watch. Mr. Derek O'Brien's comment that Election Commission of India, which is supposed to be impartial, independent constitutional body, he went on to say has blood on his hands. Will we see a fresh political flashpoint around this very statement? The EC has not responded. What will be the reaction of the other stakeholders in this ball game that elections are in India. We will have to wait and watch. With camera person Ashok Mahala, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.